what it doesn't really tell you is how to access them. Okay, so you can find Messenger on your app store. You'll have plenty of details that you can look at in the documentation section, tell you all the features that there are. Now, what it doesn't really tell you is how to access them. If you tap your profile picture in the chats section, you will unlock all the features like dark mode. You can change the background to save your eye strain. You know, too much blue light will mess with you. You can change whether or not people see your active status, so they don't know if you're online, or if you like your privacy. You can actually change the sound of your ringtone for Messenger. There's quite a few to select from. It I think it pulls from your device's selection. And not only the notifications, but the actual ringtone. You can change it all. There's also chat heads, which is the floating bubble that you can change that, turn it on and off. You can leave voice clips for your friends, so you don't have to type. All of this is actually done over the internet, believe it or not. You can call people. This is a group that I have set up, and yeah, you can have multiple people on one call. You can share videos with them while you're talking to them. So here I gave an example of sheep. And it will actually run the video if you let it. People can jump in and off on a group chat. It changes a lot. Depending on your cell phone's reception will result in different smoothness of the video, that kind of stuff. Here I finally got someone to video chat, so you can see people's faces while you're talking to them. It's actually very nice, especially if you're not really good at hearing. They do have backgrounds and extra features in video chat that you can select from. You can leave any kind of emoji as a reaction. Believe it or not, you gotta hit the plus button to unlock all these characters. And believe it or not, you can talk to yourself in Messenger. You can send yourself texts, so you can leave yourself notes that way.